Why you freeze when it's time to speak English. Have you ever noticed this? You understand English, you know the words, you can even make sentences in your head, but the moment you want to speak, your mind goes blank. You freeze, you panic, and suddenly, nothing comes out. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Why this happens? The problem is not your English level, it's your brain. When you try to speak English, your brain switches to survival mode. It starts asking questions like, what if I make a mistake? What if I sound stupid? What if they judge me? And when fear becomes stronger than confidence, your brain shuts down speaking. That's why you freeze. What most learners do wrong. Most people think, I need more vocabulary, I need more grammar, I'm not ready yet. So they keep studying, but they avoid speaking, and the fear grows. The real solution, speaking is not a knowledge problem. It's a habit problem. You don't need perfect sentences. You need permission to be imperfect. Start speaking before you feel ready. Even short sentences, even broken English, even with mistakes. That's how your brain learns. Hey, this is safe. Simple mindset shift. Instead of thinking, I must speak correctly, tell yourself, I'm just practicing. You don't practice to be perfect. You practice to get better. One small exercise. Next time you want to say something in English, pause, breathe, say it slowly, not fast, not perfect, just clear enough. Fluency comes after courage, not before. If you freeze when it's time to speak English, remember this. Nothing is wrong with you. Your brain is just learning something new. Be patient, be consistent, and keep speaking. If you want to learn English easily and naturally, subscribe to the channel and check out the playlists, short episodes, daily routines, real English without pressure.